Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Now, without wasting any further time, let us go straight to the charts of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, which is the British pound versus US dollar, and euro versus US dollar. Okay, so when we were discussing last, it was 29th of July, and we gave you it was the Friday night closing, and we gave you the discussion for 29th of July for Monday market, and that was also valid for Tuesday, which was today. So now we will be discussing these markets for 31st of July, which will be tomorrow on Wednesday. Okay, now let's go straight to the charts. Okay, so when we were discussing the market previously for Monday market was closed over here. So market opened from here and market went a little up, and then the gold market tested our minor area of resistance, and you guys can clearly see that once market closed above our area of resistance, market gave us opportunity to take a buying trade. Twice from here and from here, and we would have made some good profits. So let me zoom in a little bit for you guys so you guys can clearly see. Okay, so this was the first trade. If we would have taken this trade, we would have made a good profit till this point, and from this point as well, if we would have taken an entry, a very small point, maybe a break-even entry, and then from here, once again, we would have made some huge profits. So this will be our very first entry over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 2.0% profit. Okay. Then afterwards, once again market tested our minor area of resist of support and closed above over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our tentative take profit could be approximately over here at a 0.3% level, which means that we would have hit at least a break even in this trade. And then afterwards, you guys can clearly see that market gave us a very huge opportunity of buying from here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially over here. And this trade would have given us a take profit of 8.0%, which is amazing profit given the current market conditions. Okay, so market has behaved just the way we had expected the market, and market is still trending in between our marked area of resistance and support. So for tomorrow as well, for the 31st of July, we are still bullish in this gold versus US dollar pair. So we will be moving forward these scenarios for tomorrow. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can just straight away ask us in the comment section. And if you guys do not understand anything, we are always here, and we try our level best to make you guys understand as much as possible. So market is currently trading at this level, and the areas of resistance and support are going to remain same for tomorrow, which will be 31st of July. Okay, so I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Now let's go to the next chart on GBP USD pair from where we left off previously. Okay, so we were bullish in this GBP USD pair, and you guys can clearly see that market was trading at this point, and you guys can clearly see that market just tested our area of major support and just close below. So if we would have taken a selling position from here, maybe we would have had a stop loss. But then market gave us several buying opportunities from these levels, and we would have made some good profits as well. So for example, let me take this first entry that would have hit a tentative stop loss over here. This will be my stop loss, and my take profit will be less than 0.3%, which means that no, it is 0.3% level first. So this means that even in this trade, I would have had a break even, and I would have not had a stop loss. So now let me go back to the 1 hour chart, and from there you guys can see that once market closed above our area of our area of support over here, we could have taken a buying position. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 3.6% profit, which is amazing. Then again over here, market gave us an opportunity to buy. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 1.6% profit. And then market tested our major support over here and closed above. So from here as well, we could take a good buying position. From here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our potentially take profit will be 1.2% again. And then market tested our major area of support over here and gave us an opportunity to buy once again over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be tentatively over here, giving us a 0.9% profit. Okay, so these were all the trades that would have executed in this GBP USD pair, and right now you guys can clearly see that market is still trading within our marked area of major support and resistance, and we are still bullish in this GBP USD pair. As you guys can clearly see that our major area of support and resistance is still intact and it has not yet been broken. Okay, so just be vigilant to take trades in this GBP USD pair, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits in this trade in this pair as well. And if you guys do not understand anything, it's okay. You guys can always ask us anything in the comment section. So don't worry. But I am positive that tomorrow you guys are going to get some good moves out of this GBP USD as well. Okay. So now let us move to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair. Okay, so in this Euro USD pair, we were bullish, but market broke below our area of major resistance, and you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing the market previously, market was trading approximately over here, so market continued to go down and close below our area of major support. So from here we could take selling position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially over here, giving us a 0.7% profit. And then again, market gave us an opportunity to sell from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, but you guys can see that we would have hit a stop loss in this trade, and then we could take another short position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially over here, giving us a 2.0% profit. Okay, so and then afterwards, once again, market gave us an opportunity to sell from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit would be potentially over here, giving us a 1.3% profit. Then two more opportunities appeared over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be at a 0.5% level. Then again from here we could take another short position from like this. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit could be potentially over here at a 0.3% level. But for that we have to go to the 15-minute chart, and you guys can see that this chart is also not clear, so we have to go to the 5-minute chart. And in this 5-minute chart, you guys can see that market first went down and hit our level of 0.3%. So this means that we would have hit a break even first before hitting a stop loss. Okay, and after that, no further opportunity was given, as this was a very huge candle, and we would have preferred to stay out of the market. Okay, so now let me move the market for new areas. As you guys can see that the market has broken the buying structure, as market has not maintained this major area of support and gone below. So now we'll be looking for some good selling positions in this pair of Euro USD. For that, let us go to the longer time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, and you guys can see that market is currently trading over here So, and the lowest point at which the market has gone is approximately this level. Okay. So at this level we have a key area of support over here. Okay. So we are going to move our levels over here. So this was a key level previously. So I think this, yes, this whole area is going to come into play. Okay, something like this. So our minor area of resistance will now be approximately over here, as this area has been respected over here as well. And our major area of resistance will now be approximately this area. Okay, so let me write down these new areas of support and resistance for you guys, and let me come back. Okay, so these are valid for 31st of July. So area of resistance is 1.0880. The top area of resistance is 1.0895. 1.0895. Okay. So the major area of support is 1.0809. 1.0809, and the major area of support is 1.0788. 1.0788. Okay. So now let me move forward these scenarios so you guys can easily take trades. Okay. Okay, so I have moved forward all these scenarios. Just remember that now we are looking for selling positions, and now this is a minor area of resistance rather than area of support. Okay, so look for selling positions from these areas rather than buying positions. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys tomorrow night with fresh scenarios. Thank you.